It's not fair when mum and dad nag, stand up straight, don't be rude. It's so not fair, cause the killer boy rats no school stinks kids rule. So when they send you to your room, sing a little tune. You sing na 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 na, na 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 na.
There's a mutant Maxathon on the telly! 6 hours! Woohoo! We're here! Well, they can't all be perfect.
Now, you've got our number just in case.
Oh yes, but I'm sure everything will be just fine.
You do know who you're babysitting?
Coming through!
Hello, Henry. Hello, Polly. Oh. Bye. Have a lovely time. So, what are we going to do today, Polly? Well, I thought I'd cook a romantical meal for Paul. Ooh, goody. Can I help? Of course you can, Tiny Chef.
Popcorn, crisps, and more crisps.
Thank you, Henry.
Whoa! Pimply Paul? What are you doing here?
Don't call me that, shorty. I'm only here because Polly wanted a lift. Now that I am here, I'm going to watch the rugby.
No! No, 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 no! You can't! Not today! This is my perfect day! I'm watching 6 hours of Mutant Max!
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am!
Not.
Am!
Not.
Am!
Not.
Am!
Look, kid, I'm the grown-up round here, and I'm watching the rugby. You are going to help Polly in the kitchen.
No!
I'm so glad you've joined us, Henry.
Paul made me.
Of course he did. He's so sweet and thoughtful. That's why I want to make this the bestest, most romanticest dinner ever. So, Peter, I want you to make a salad dressing, and Henry, why don't you wash the vegetables?
Vegetables? I can't touch a vegetable.
Oh, Henry!
Wait! I'm ready!
Oops, indeed, Henry.
I'll just go and take off my gear. Mutant Max faces his most evil enemy yet, the spotted snore beast. But if he can just reach the galactic remote control, the universe is saved. Got it!
And I've got you!
Is this a 4x4 bug hunt by any chance?
Die, miscreant! Die a horrible death!
In that kitchen now!
Oh no! Now it's a full-blown diesel weasel!
Henry, you're just in time to see my latest culinary creation. Oh, you are clever, Tiny Chef. Polly asked me to decorate the vegetables when they were cooked. Let's see what you've done then, Peter. Presenting the Vegetanimals. Oh, what have you put the vegetables into little animals.
I can see that, but Peter, I'm a vegetarian. Why would I want to eat vegetables in the shape of animals?
Why would you want to eat vegetables at all?
Thank you, Henry. Now, we must get on. We're a little teensy-weensy bit behind, and the quicker I get the meal finished, the quicker I can tear my Polly Pops away from that telly. Now then, the soup's in there, and it needs to be mixed for 5 seconds, and I'll just put the asparagus on.
Ooh, that soup smells delicious, Polly.
It's mango, spinach, and beetroot.
Ugh. 5 seconds. Here we go. You look like a mushroom in that hat.
All chefs wear hats like these.
And they must look like mushrooms too. Where'd the soup go? But I was only trying to help.
I know you were. Now, get out!
You stressing.
Oh, it's so exciting, I can't say anything.
Exciting game.
The scores are tied.
Can I watch Mute and Max now?
No! Go on, my son. You can do it. You can do it. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. What? No! What's happened?
Ooh, could be a fuse.
Where's the fuse box?
Right at the back of the cupboard under the stairs.
Oh!
Yo, go Mute and Max!
And now back to more Mutant Max.
Kitchen?
Oh, not done. Oh, tiny chef, we're so far behind schedule. The cream must be chilled by now.
I'm doing pancakes. Polly's letting me toss them.
But I'm really good at tossing pancakes.
Henry, please, now really isn't the time.
That's mine.
Does anyone else smell smoke?
The pancakes!
Oops. Henry!
What? Are you okay, Polly?
No, I'm not okay. It's ruined. My perfectest, most romantical dinner ever is ruined. All I ever wanted was to make Polly Pops happy, and now it's ruined. I can't take this anymore!
Like your hat, sweetheart.
Now there's nothing to stop me watching all the Mute and Max I want!
Right, mutant bot. You're going to make me a dinner that I'll never forget. Now!
Henry?
Making dinner.
But you can't cook.
I'm going to call for pizza.
But this dinner is meant to be all romantical and special. You can't just order a pizza.
Watch me, worm. Finished. Romantic dinner's ready.
This had better be special, Henry.
Oh, it is. Lady and gentleman, I give you the Henry Deluxe.
Oh, I say.
Looks like a volcano to me.
It is.
Really?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Why not?
Oh!